Hey everyone, this is Angie at Stampin' with Amore. Welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and hit that bell for notifications each time I upload a new video. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Both of those things help my channel tremendously, so thank you in advance for that. So we are coming to the end of our holiday paper crafting. I mean, oh my gosh, where has the time gone? 2 weeks and Christmas will be here, and this is probably my last week of Christmas projects. It is my last week because I have so much new stuff to share with you, and January 4th comes our new catalog. So I want to get rolling on that. And also, if you didn't see my haul, I posted that yesterday on my blog and on YouTube. So check that out because there's so many cute things coming and I can't wait to share those with you. So today I haven't done many gift card holders, so I am doing an adult one because I need some. And every year I usually make a couple at least. And I did do one, but I am going to share this one today. It's very quick and easy, and it's one of those that you can whip up really fast if you need one really quick. And this is also great for birthdays or any other occasion. You can just switch up the paper and what you're using for it. This one, you just have to slide off the ribbon here because I attached everything to the ribbon, which I really like doing that because it makes it so much easier for the person. Instead of undoing the ribbon and all that, it's easier for them to just slide it off. And then it just opens like that, and then it has the gift card inside. You can use this for any kind of gift card. But I do love this bundle. I still love this bundle, and used it quite a bit this season. And I'm so sad in so many ways because I love this is my favorite time of year to do things. But stay tuned because there's a lot of cute things coming. I have so many ideas to share with you. And I'm really having to struggle to get that back on, but it's going to go. All right, so there we go. All ready to go. All right, so what I'm using for this is, again, the Painted Christmas Designer Series paper. I love this. It's one of my favorites. I'm getting really low on it, but I love this paper. And I've been wanting to use these pine cones because it reminds me so much of the holidays when I was growing up. All right, so first we're going to do is do our stamping and get everything ready for this, and then we'll create the card, which is going to go really quick and easy. All right, so it's the Christmas Season Bundle and the seasonal dies that go with it. For the front, this little piece right here. For the sentiment, I use the Stitch So Sweetly. I use these, and I use the one that fills in right here, and I'll show you that in a second. But there's lots of frames here. You can use the seasonal labels as well. But this also cuts out the pine cones and the little pine needles that I'm using on this one. And then for the sentiment, I use the Holly Jolly Wishes. It's one of my favorite this year, and it's the most wonderful time of the year on the front of that. So that's everything. We do have to use the cut and emboss. I'm going to go ahead and stamp what we're going to use, and I'm stamping these pine cones a little bit different this time. I'm going to use crumb cake and early espresso. So that's our crumb cake, and the crumb cake is going to be our base one. This is two-step stamping for those of you who don't know what that is. You stamp once and then you're going to stamp again on top of this. So that's our crumb cake. And then we're going to use early espresso, but we are going to stamp off one time, and then we're going to stamp on top of that. So that's our two steps. And I'm stamping off. Early espresso is pretty dark, and so I just wanted to lighten it up a little bit. So there's our pine cones, and then we are going to use Evening Evergreen for the pine needles. And I'm only using 2 on this. I didn't want to get too carried away because I wanted this to be pretty quick so that we can make a bunch before Christmas gets here, which is only a couple weeks away. And so we are going to use this, and I think I can probably fit this on here. I was going to use an extra piece, but I think we can fit them all on here. So we're going to do that one, and then we're going to have to run these through a couple times, but I'll speed it up during the running through process so you don't have to sit and watch all that. All right, so let's get the cut and emboss, and we are going to run these through. All right, we got our sentiment piece ready, and our two little pine cones and our two branches of pine needles right there. So let's go ahead and stamp this. I'm using Evening Evergreen again, and the sentiment again is the most wonderful time of the year. One of my favorite sentiments, and love that movie, It's a Wonderful Life. That's what this reminds me of. And now we are ready to go ahead and get going on this gift card holder. So I'm using Evening Evergreen, and then like I said, this is the Painted Christmas. All right, so we are going to score this. By the way, this piece right here is 11 by 4. You can make two out of an 8.5 by 4, an 8.5 by 11 piece of cardstock, so one sheet. And then we're matting it 3 7/8 by 4 1/4 and 1 7/8 by 3 7/8. Those are the two. This one's for the inside, this is for the outside. And we're going to just score it. And you're scoring on the 11-inch side at 2 and 6 1/2. All right, so we are going to use our bone folder, and we are going to just, this is how it's going to close. If you don't want to put a ribbon on it, you can also just Velcro, put Velcro on the bottom here. We're going to use our tear and tape because you need to make this as small as possible. The opening needs to fit your card, so this has to be really narrow on the sides here. So the tear and tape works perfect for this. We're going to remove that backing. And then your card is going to fit right in here. Now we are going to mat it. I'm going to mat it the same. The other one I matted with this side facing up. This time I'm going to just use the same, just to make it a little bit different. These may be going to the same family, so I thought it may be better just to do it a little bit different. And then we're going to do I love this paper. It's so pretty, and it's really elegant. It's perfect for like an adult gift card. And then we are going to use our Evening Evergreen ribbon. This is called Chevron Weave Lip ribbon, and it's super pretty. We are going to tie it, but like I said, you could put a Velcro dot here and close it, and you don't have to use the ribbon. But I love this ribbon. I haven't really used this ribbon enough. You can tell I got quite a bit left here. It's so pretty though. And I'm just tying a knot. You can tie a bow if you want. I've got to get these sharpened, or I got to quit using them for like things that have glue on them because I'm really messing them up. Pull that all the way to the end so that you can get your tag on it. So we're going to put the tag on, and I'm just running a piece of, I'm using the Stampin' Seal Plus because it holds it really good right down the center, and then I'm laying that right onto the ribbon right there. And then we're going to put our one, I think this one I'm going to do down this way, and then the other one I'm going to do going up the other side here. And then we're going to use dimensionals on the back of these so that they pop up, because they look really pretty popped up. And we'll put one here, and then one on the other side here. And that is it. There you go. All done. Isn't that quick and easy? And it's so, so cute and just ready to go. Look how quick I did those. And you can get them made really quick and easy. We need this time of year. So I hope you all have a blessed day. I hope you enjoyed it. And I'll catch you in the next one. See you later, everyone. Bye.